Hello students, today in this video I am going to discuss about chapter 10 Force and Friction part 2. Topics to be covered: friction, types of friction, advantages and disadvantages of friction, methods to minimize friction and methods to increase friction. What is friction? In simple words, friction is a force which opposes motion. A frictional force arises when two substances contact each other. Friction is a force that resists the motion of object or surface. Friction always works in the direction opposite from the direction of the object is moving or trying to move. It always slows a moving object down. Types of friction. The force of friction, there are many types of friction: rolling friction, sliding friction, static friction, and fluid friction. Rolling friction, the friction that occur when an object roll across a surface. Rolling friction is easier to overcome than sliding friction. Anything with wheels, cars, skateboard, or ball rolling. Sliding friction. Sliding friction occurs when two solid surfaces slide over each other. How can this be useful? Spreading sand on ice for more traction, using your brakes on your bike to stop. How can this not be useful? Slipping and falling on ice, falling off bike and skinning your knee. Fluid friction. Fluid friction is the force that resists motion either within the fluid itself or of the another medium. When a solid moves in a liquid or gas, the surface of the solid experiences friction. However, the force of friction between a solid and a liquid surface is lesser than the between two solids. The force of friction between a solid surface and a gas is lesser than between a solid and liquid surface. The frictional force exerted by fluids, means liquid and gases, is also called the drag. Static friction. When the applied force is gradually increased, the force of friction also increases at the same rate and the body remains stationary. This force of friction is called static friction. Advantages of friction. Friction between pen and paper enable us to write on the paper. Friction between our feet and the ground allow our movement like standing, walking and running. Friction between the surface of the road and tires of our vehicles allow the vehicles to move without slipping. Disadvantages of friction. Friction produce heat in various parts of machine. We have to exert more power in machine, more power, more energy wasted like fuel in cars. Friction opposes motion. Because of friction, noise is produced in machine. Methods to minimize friction, मीन्स हम फ्रिक्शन को कम कैसे कर सकते हैं. बाय पॉलिशिंग, बाय लुब्रिकेशन, यूज ऑफ बॉल बियरिंग और रोलर बियरिंग, streamlining, use of correct combination of surface in contact. Polishing the surface reduces the irregularities and hence reduce friction. Lubrication. It provides a layer of the lubricant on which the body can easily slide. Use of ball bearing or roller bearing. Roller bearing help to convert sliding friction into a middle form. Rolling friction. Rolling friction is lesser than sliding friction. Streamlining. Fast car, boats, plane, etc. have a streamlined body. This is to allow air or water in the case of boat is easily to flow by without offering much resistance. Use of correct combination of surface in contact. Use of alloy on moving the sliding parts reduce friction because alloy have a low coefficient of friction. Methods to increase friction. Pattern on the surface of tires are made to increase friction between the tires and the road surface. Pattern on the sole of shoes help to increase friction with the ground and reduce chances of slipping. By increasing the roughness of the surface in contact, increasing the weight of the object. As the weight of the object increase, the object further passes down onto the surface. Therefore, the irregularities get interlocked more and friction is increased. Thank you for watching.